to yung documents.
I will check if this ring, oh, the ring stops now. I didn't bring my truck bar inside. I think that's fine, it's okay there, because I will be early later tomorrow morning, very early. Going to work, we have project tomorrow, so I didn't bring them inside. There's no more ring today. It's done. And this will use my work will use this tomorrow also very early. Maybe 5:30 in the morning. So we're gonna use this and this one is my reserve pickup. It's line Honda. I need to pick up some like pins, because the pins is difficult to put it here. Cannot put inside. Like before, I have a project pins, cannot put it here inside. So there's a pickup that I can put the pins there. I use this before for the pins and for the other things that I can load here. But for the big ladders, like 16 feet 2x10 lumbers, it's good here to the top. So that's a good thing. In construction, we need truck line. I guess that's police. It's good here in us because there's always police loading. There's always passing on this area of us, because Bayonne is one of the safe places. So that's a good thing in construction. So thank you very much for watching. God bless us all. No more rain. Hoping tomorrow there's no rain. God bless. Bless the Lord God.